Challengers in recently, and this one is definitely no exception. 2016 Dodge Challenger, 392 Hemi underneath hood, Scat pack, shaker package, and best of all, one owner, just a little over 25,000 miles on this one. Jazz blue pearl coat with the suede Napa leather, high performance seats let you get a good look at the front fascia grille, chin spoiler. A couple little spots where you can see a previous owner took care of it and maybe touched it up just a tad bit in a few of those spots that you'll get in the front of them. But overall, take a look at this paint. Notice when I was taking the pictures, look at the reflection coming off of that from the wall. Of course, that shaker hood system with that 392, of course, all the amenities, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, take a look at the underside of this car. Interior, engine bay, extremely clean. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. These are the 20-inch Hyper Black 2 forged wheels. Great looking wheel on this car. And as you can see, up and down the passenger side, pretty much free of any nicks, dings, scratches that I've been able to see. You'll see this car from every angle in the still pictures, probably close to 100 pictures of it online. So those beautiful bucket seats of the Scat pack. Logo embroidered on them. This is the 8-speed automatic transmission. As you can see, the Uconnect 8.4 navigation HD radio with Cirrus satellite radio capabilities. Flat black graphics back here, rear spoiler. What a look. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I've hit on some of the options on this car. You can check out a picture of the window sticker to see exactly what it came with from the factory, and that will be in with our still pictures. Of course, back here you have the park sense and park view, rear view camera. It does have the heated and ventilated seats, power tilt and telescopic steering column, and that's just to name a few. And did I mention one owner, clean Carfax, confirmed miles a little over 25,000. We're going to check that out here shortly when we start it up and take a look at that interior. But first, look up and down the driver's side of this, and again, you can see the condition of that paint, reflection coming off it, lack of any sort of dings up and down the driver's side. All right, for the interior, of course, your power windows, locks, mirrors. So, and also we'll have the Alpine stereo system in it. Of course, power seat, driver's side. Now, remember, this is a suede insert, so you will get a nap to that fabric, which can kind of make it look different colors. If you look at the rear seats, in the pictures, try to do the best I can. There's an LED light up here that shines, and it'll kind of lighten up the leather there, but it is not discolored or anything like that. It is nice, dark, well taken care of. All right, let's go ahead, take a little closer look at this. Remember, I said heated and ventilated seats, power seat, driver's side, steering wheel controls. There's your exact miles, 25,776. Look at the fuel economy average, also 26 miles to the gallon. Of course, tachometer. No warning indicator lights, anything like that. Stereo system, and of course, AC and heat controls. You can also shift this manually, as you see the plus and minus on that automatic transmission. Take a look at the dash. All good shape in here, folks. And again, check out the still pictures. Lots of pictures of the interior. Headliner, fine shape, as well as these seats. Again, hardly any wear whatsoever. Bolster, seating surface. Good sounding car, of course. That Hemi underneath the hood. Listen to that. I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's pause this video a second. I want to pop this hood. Let's check out that engine bay and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There's that shaker hood. Of course, cold air intake. And just as clean underneath here as you would expect. Car has been taken care of. Lower miles, one owner. 6.4 liter, I believe, 392 cubic inch Hemi. And remember, paired up with that 8-speed automatic transmission. All the equipment. Check out the still pictures. You're going to see a copy of that window sticker. Picture that in there. Tell the exact equipment. Jazz blue pearl paint. Wow. What a good looking Challenger. Give us a call at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. Call or email.